Hello and welcome to Teaching Matters, a podcast, Importance of Teachers and Offline Teaching in Classroom. In this special episode, which is based on Teachers' Day, we are honoring the guiding lights of our lives, our teachers. I am your host, Ms. Shika, and in this special episode, we are going to talk about the importance of teachers and their impact in our society. And in this special episode, I have Adrika Dubey with me of Class 8 sharing her views on this special occasion. Hi Adrika, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm doing great. Thank you.
Okay, Adrika. So, as we all know, that teachers play a vital role in education, especially in the classroom-based settings and providing immediate feedback and fostering a community for the students. Okay, not only the basic understanding, but providing the students, particularly the adaptation to their according to their learning needs. So, according to you, how do you define, in your perspective, the role of a teacher in today's world?
Well, that's a nice question, ma'am. I believe the role of a teacher in today's world goes far beyond than just delivering lessons. In today's digital age, where every single information is available on our fingertips, we need a teacher and who guide us in our critical thinking, values, and resilience. In short, teachers are not just our instructor; they are our guides, our motivators, and sometimes even a second parent.
Okay, that's good to hear. Good to hear your perspective, Adrika. So, as you spoke about that, what roles do they play in today's life, in today's world? According to you, what is the importance of a teacher in your life?
Ma'am, the importance of a teacher helps me in various ways, like they act as like my role model, they guide and support me, they nurture my potential, they perform a personalized learning, they foster social and emotional development with me, they build relationships, they help in the collaborative learning, they provide a structure and discipline, they help in the targeted intervention and the early intervention as well.
Okay, so as you spoke about targeted intervention and early intervention, which comes in the importance of a teacher. Okay, so what do you mean by these specific terms of targeted intervention and early intervention?
Ma'am, according to me, targeted intervention means the teaching strategies, teacher change their teaching strategies according to the student responses. And in the early intervention, we can say that the teachers help in identifying the learning gaps
Right.
and help the students to perform well with their learning gaps.
Okay, so that's good to hear from you, Adrika. So, as in they play such a vital role, they have such a significant role in our lives. How do teachers play a vital role in education in a broader perspective?
Ma'am, teachers play a vital role in education because they are not just the providers of knowledge, but they act as like a guides. They motivate us. They act as like a role models, which shape the future of the student. And if we come on the points that why are the teachers important and what are the vital role that they play, they help in the immediate learning, they build our skills, they identify our strength and weakness, they are just beyond fascinating, and they prepare us for the life beyond the school.
Okay, good to hear from you, Adrika, that you have a broader perspective about a teacher's role in education. Okay, now, so overall, we can say that teachers are the nation builders.
Yes.
Okay, as in they largely the quality of education which they provide actually depends on the how do they guide and inspire students, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as you spoke so much about the contribution of a teacher in our lives, right? That they guide, they contribute so much, they inspire the students. How do you think they contribute effectively in a classroom teaching? And why is the classroom teaching important?
Ma'am, classroom teaching is a set of instruction where a teacher directly interacts with the student in a physical or a virtual classroom. This involves discussions, demonstrations, activities, and assessments. This also involves the immediate learning and the social development with the students. They help in the holistic growth of the student, they help in the active engagement of the student.
Yeah, so teachers, according to you, what I get from your perspective is teachers are not just transferring knowledge. They're not just meant for transferring knowledge, but also providing intellectual, emotional, and social growth to a student.
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
it? Okay. So, as you spoke about classroom teaching, according to you, what is a better mode of teaching? Offline mode of teaching or online mode of teaching?
Ma'am, according to me, offline mode of teaching is more better because the offline mode ensures the holistic development of the student and the academic learning, the
Yes.
structure and the discipline they help us to perform in the class between the teacher and the students.
Right.
This also involves face-to-face interaction, healthy competition, and less dependency on the technology. As I conclude, I want to say that the teachers are irreplaceable and the offline teaching has always been the best mode for the teaching learning process.
I totally agree with you, Adrika, that teachers, there's no replacement for teachers. Teachers actually play a very, very significant role in our lives. So, in today's special episode of our podcast, let us all remember that education is not about exams and books. It's about igniting curiosity, building confidence, and nurturing dreams of our students. So, to all the teachers out there, a very, very happy Teachers' Day, and thank you for being the pillars of knowledge and inspiration. And until next time, keep learning, keep inspiring. Thank you.